Hi guys, Tommy Olsson here. Today in this video I want to show you how to create an affiliate marketing website if you are a beginner, and how to get started with affiliate marketing. I'm going to use the site of Influx Plus here because you can easily set up any website where you sell your own products or promote affiliate products. I'm going to show you how easy it is to set it all up, and you also get a great WordPress blog attached to your websites, so you can start blogging and make some money with affiliate marketing. You can access this page by clicking the link below for a 14-day free trial, and then you just click on Start Building. So here with the drop down menu up here, you can choose from different themes with already created websites. Go down here a bit. Let's say we want to have the learning. Everything on this website, images, text and buttons, you can edit them and tweak and have the site look exactly as you want it. As you see here, you have menu set up. Also, if you're more advanced and want to set up your own courses, but you can just promote affiliate product if you want to get started as a beginner and start making some money this way. And let's say you want to have this site set up, then you just click on this button, create this website. Then you just choose the package that fits you. You can pay monthly, quarterly or yearly, and just choose the one you want. Click on select plan for any of the packages you're interested in. And the next step is to choose a site title. Type it here. And put the site title name here as well. Do not post anything else like influxentrepreneur.com, because after you put your website name here and click this button, the system will put in that necessary domain name ending influxentrepreneur.com. And to the next step, well, then you get you get a email saying that you're a member now, and you can get started and getting into the back office of WordPress, because you manage everything through WordPress. So here we are at the WordPress back office of Influx Plus, and here you can check out your sites and add new site and a lot more here. But you access your blog and your blog post. Let's go to that and check out all all posts for now. Go into how to write a good blog post and so on. It's important that you have a domain name, professional domain name for your site and blog, and within Influx Plus you can purchase a domain name of your choosing for a low price, and choose a domain name that is easy to remember for your visitors. You can include your name or the niche you are blogging about or working within. But when choosing a niche, you gotta choose a niche, but choose a specific niche and don't blog about anything or everything, because that way you won't have much success. You need to be choosing a niche so you will be seen as an expert in that field. There's a whole lot of different niches you can choose from, but don't for example, choose to write about car parts and then beauty products on the same site, it doesn't work. There are many niches that's still popular, like work from home or weight loss, and maybe the survival niche, and there's more niches regardless of those advice examples. And yeah, so choose a domain name that looks that's attached to what you're working on, that you want to make money through what niche you have, or include your niche or your personal name in the domain name. The main thing is that you actually get a domain name that's very beneficial. And so now let's get into writing those blog posts. First off, I want to mention some example of a platform where you can become an affiliate for free, get paid promoting someone else's product. For instance, there is Amazon, and the downside to Amazon is that it's a good site, it's a good platform to start with, but the downside is that the percentage, the level of the commission you will be making with them is sometimes pretty low. But then we have ClickBank. I'm not using that so much, but then we also have JVZoo, where you promote, become affiliate for products, digital products, and so on. Now back to the blog post. You should at least write 500 words per post, and you should set up a category like I've done here. In this blog post I have the keyword WordPress store, so I've chosen that as a category, and I also put it as a tag here. I've also entered tags that I think people about what I think people are searching for online, and so on. So the more good tags you have, the more people can find your content. And now tags is like keywords, search terms, and so on. You should at least add, for the sake of SEO, add 2 images per post. If you don't have your own image, you could always search for free images online, like on Pixabay, or go to Google and search for images, but make sure that you choose the option that images that have the Create Commons license. That means that you can use them. Otherwise, if you just take an image from someone that doesn't allow you to use it, and that's not in the common license choice, then they might get angry and get in contact with you, ask you to remove the image, and so on. Anyway, when you're adding images, make sure that the keyword you have chosen is in the title of your image and the alt text and so on. So now I'm going to go to JVZoo to get my affiliate link for one of the products I'm approved to promote. Here's the page at JVZoo for my approved products, and I can just choose one of them. As an example, I click on get link for that one product, drag drop bundle deal, and then you simply just click there to copy it, and then we close that and we go back to the blog post. So to promote this product, do not make it pitchy and say in the text that check this great product out now, click here, which can be a bit pitchy. And then you can mark some words in the blog post and make that clickable to the chosen products you want to promote. Then you click on this symbol, that chain there, the link sign, and then you simply put in it there. So that's an easy way if you're a newbie, a beginner, to start marketing an offer. And yes, and when it comes to the content, share as much value in every post that you are writing. And if there's something you're unsure of, you can research the topic you're writing about. Never steal any content, but you can rephrase what it said in an article you want to grab the knowledge information from. And if you use a big part of someone's article, make sure that you in that case put a link in the post to their article and site, because that's just like good manners. And when you're done with your post, you just click on save. In this case, as I wrote this earlier, I will click on update. Talking about the content again and the quality of it, Google rewards if you share a lot of value, if your blog post is very highly of great quality. So the more value you share, the better your posts will rank, and Google will see if you share a lot of good quality content or not. So make every post as filled with as much quality content as possible. Talking about the Influx Plus now, if you get stuck on something, then on the front page that you can read through the link below, there's a section with video tutorials that explains everything you need to know about how to run your business and build up your sites and so on. And if you're interested to get started through a 14-day trial with this system and build your affiliate marketing site, then click the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Bye bye.